ハイパースピードメディア。
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A little update is that I will be at Miatacon this weekend. I hope to see you guys there. And in this video, I'm going to focus on installing a oil catch can right here. I'm going to install this on my NA Miata. So I'm also using this Aiuitio riveting tool. So I'm going to explain more about this tool and how to use that. And then we're going to install the catch can. Let's take a look at the Aiuitio 16-inch Rivet Nut Tool Kit. This tool is designed with a quick head change. It comes with 13 different size head in both standard and metric, and over 130 pieces of rivet nuts. It also comes with additional toolkit, so you can change the manual tool insert without any additional tools. The metric size are M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12. And standard is 8-32, 10-24, quarter-20, 5/16-18, 3/8-16, ½ inch-13. It also comes with this rugged hard plastic carrying case, good for storing and organizing the tool. Alright, so to change the rivet nut head, it's quite simple. All you have to do is unscrew the outer sleeve counterclockwise and it should come right out. And now you can insert the correct size mandrel. So make sure that the shorter end goes in first. Use your finger to push down the sleeve and screw it down all the way. Then push the sleeve back up. And now you can insert the outer collar back in and screw that clockwise. And lastly, you want to insert the locking nut on top of that. Using the supply tool, we can now tighten it down. And now we're ready to use the tool. Alright, to get started with the riveting, make sure you got the rivet here and the drill bit. Make sure the drill bit is the same size as the rivet on the smaller end. And what we're going to do is drill a hole in the sheet metal. Pretend the sheet metal is the body panel of the car. And after you drill the hole, we're going to insert the rivet and then clamp it down. So I'm using a smaller drill bit first to make a pilot hole here. And then I'm going to change it up into the bigger one. And then we're going to insert the rivet. Okay, before we insert the rivet in there, you want to make sure that you install the correct adapter for your rivet. Now I'm using a 1/4-20, so insert your rivet into the thread right here. Then you want to open this up a little bit like that. And then you could insert more of the thread in. Now we're ready to install the rivet. So insert the rivet into the hole that we just drilled it out, and then just squeeze into both of the handle. And we're done. And that's it. There you go. Now we have a spot to insert the 1/4-20 bolt into there, and you can use that to hang anything, any object into your car or sheet metal, or wherever there's a sheet metal, you can install the rivet. Alright, so here's another example of the riveting tool. I use it to hold down the intercooler into place on the body of the truck. Coming closer, as you can see, the bolt is holding it down right there. That's inserted into the rivet. Okay, we're back at my NA Miata. I'm going to install the catch can now. I'm going to mount it somewhere about right here. Same thing as the other process we just did. Drill a couple holes, insert the rivet, clamp it down. Before you drill the hole, make sure you mark it down. After you got the hole drilled out, insert your rivet to make sure it fits. So I got 2 holes, one right here, and now one on the other side, which is right here, and both of the hole fits. So now we just gotta mount this into the tool and clamp it down. Okay, so I got my rivet onto the tool already. Now we're gonna insert it and clamp it down. And there you go. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now I got my catch can here and my hardware. I'm going to insert my bolt through the catch can bracket and then insert another nut to hold it in place. I'll do the same on the other side. Then I'm going to insert another nut to hold that into the firewall. So what this does, it will extend the catch can out a little bit so it doesn't bang onto the firewall. Okay, now we're ready to install the Aend line. I got a shorter one and a longer one. Going to route the longer one from here. So about right here. Now install the shorter line. Once you're done installing the Aend line, go ahead and use the wrench and tighten all the holes down. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you'd like to learn more about the Aiuitio riveting tool, you can check out the links in the description box. Again, I will be at Miatacon this weekend. If you got a cool Miata and love to be on film, I would love to film it. And if not, I'll see you on the next video.
ハイパースピードメディア